Do you know that only Africa Twin and NT1100 currently at the moment offers you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay? Unfortunately, you can only use it with a wired connection. But if you want to know how to get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on your big screen without any phone connection via cable, let me tell you. Next video I'm gonna show you how to do it to have everything wireless. So no more phone hanging on your handlebar, but then you can play and have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay without any cables. Okay, stay tuned and see you soon.